किए जा रहे हैं। अब पेश है युवक युवती का कार्यक्रम युवावाणी। आज युवावाणी कार्यक्रम में हम लेकर आए हैं यूथ प्रोग्राम बाय द वॉलंटियर्स ऑफ लोहित यूथ लाइब्रेरी, लीडर जिनमसी न्यादोंग। आज का विषय है इंटरनेशनल मदर लैंग्वेज डे। प्रस्तुतकर्ता श्री गोपाल राय।
Hello listeners, welcome to today's Yuwavani program marking the International Mother Languages Day by the volunteers of Lohit Youth Libraries. I'm Janam Singh Arong comparing today's program, and with me is
Vanita Kri, Aloka Mili, Anjung Mamam,
Padam Sinfo,
Aman Kayang,
Keshilu Tayan,
Sabina Kabrai,
and
Vidhem Manai.
you will all agree that our mother tongue makes us what we are. Our mother language connects us to our culture, heritage and our community. Our mother language stirs our thinking, our imagination. It helps us to communicate. Yet, how sad that most people in Arunachal and other minor language groups in India are unable to use their mother tongue to mold their life. That is why the International Mother Languages Day is observed and celebrated by UNESCO on 21st February to spread awareness about the importance of linguistic, cultural diversity and multilingualism in the world. But how ready are we in Arunachal? Dibang Library volunteer Aloka Mili speaks on minority languages and the challenges faced by their speakers. There is all of us.
Today, very few children are learning their mother tongue in the traditional way from their parents and elders. Even when the parents speak the mother tongue, they do not often pass it on to their children. In several communities, mother languages are used only by the elders. Most languages spoken by small communities are endangered because successive generations of speakers are becoming multilingual and losing proficiency in their mother language. Our Arunachali languages are a typical example. Our tribal languages have reached a point of crisis after being displaced by a socially, politically and economically dominant language. Today, most of us use English, Hindi or Assamese for common social interactions. Further, these languages are academic media, hence are the key to accessing higher education and job opportunities. Isn't it an irony that in spite of 7 decades of independence and 3 decades of statehood, Arunachal has no Arunachali official language, even when we have nearly 28 major tribal languages? What is the place of a language in the life of a community? Languages are the foundation of a culture. When a language dies, so does the link to cultural and historical past. Without this link by our mother tongue, people start losing their sense of identity and belonging. Without languages, culture itself will teeter and disappear. Further, writing system currently exists for only 1/3 of the world's languages. So, often spoken forms are the only way to communicate and convey a community's songs, stories and poems. So what needs to be done to make such minor languages like Arunachali languages grow and flourish? A language can grow only when it produces new literary inputs. Hence, we in Arunachal must soon develop and accept a script for our languages. With the emergence of computer and mobile, Roman script seems a ready and acceptable form for most Arunachal languages. Of course, some new scripts like Tani script has also been successfully developed, but this need to be actively popularized. Youth and students can contribute a lot to promote written forms. We can start writing letters, articles, poems, short stories, etc. and do blogging in our mother tongue. We must also bring out many books for general reading. It is a matter of great happiness that a Gandhiji's biography for youth by Tulika Books was released on October 2nd, 2019 in Adi, Apatani, Miju, Nokte, Nishi and Bodo languages. Similarly, in December 2020, 2 e-books in Idu languages were brought out by Idumishmi Cultural Literary Society from Pratham Books website. Fortunately, the new education policy has introduced teaching mother tongue in primary classes from class 1 to 3. We in Arunachal must take full advantage of this new policy. Today, technology has made it easy to bring out several child-friendly readers for promoting joy of reading. Such readers in mother tongue would greatly create enthusiasm in the community to learn mother tongue. Hence, it is very important that the mother tongue should be taught to children since very young. It is the responsibility of parents to transmit the oral knowledge to next generation, and the youth could benefit by literary forms. The best way to preserve our language is to keep it alive by speaking, reading and writing it.
Have you ever seen a book in your mother tongue? Mishmis can proudly say, yes, Humbril my child. A Mishmi folktale is the first book in Mishmi language. It was translated from English by Sri Sokhep Kri and published by Tulika Books, Chennai in 2015. So, here's Anjang my mom from Apne Library Wakro reading a part of it for you.
Langit mo, sipung man ati bragyung le, ngay man rat, shan mo kran man tat ka, tak tak sung. Shan kran man ma, rivala, asay na ka, long foot lun hai ka hik ka. Vi wan kamrang bragyung le kara, kamrang ati wan hatay katay, kara hatay kasit. An ati wan anzaw glong helam tay man, gawa thong ka, tak sang. Oh! Sipong ka may sa ka mo sai tho man ngong thai may sa wan amang wan hambru mai matai ka vivi chupoy pang we sai ta hui brin ka.
How many languages can we master? 4, 5, 7. Ali Manik Fam of Lakshadweep, who is awarded Padma Shri this January 2021, can speak, read and write 15 languages, yet without studying even class 8. Maybe Ali Manik Fam followed the footsteps of the brilliant polyglot Rahul Sankrityayan. Let's listen about Sankrityayan, a great linguist and literary giant from Banika Kri.
How many languages can you speak, read and write? 3? 5? What about 20 languages? Impossible? Yes, for most of us. But a man who never went to a college or university could also become a great scholar and master several languages. He was Rahul Sankrityayan, who could speak, read and write in 30 languages, including English, French, German, Tibetan, Sanskrit, Pali, Urdu, Persian, Arabic, Tamil and Russian. Whoa! But he almost always wrote in his mother tongue Hindi. Therefore he was called Mahapandit. His life and works are worth remembering as we celebrate the Mother Languages Day. Rahul Sankrityayan was born in 1893 in Azamgarh district of Uttar Pradesh. By the time he died at the age of 70 in 1963, he had already written nearly 140 books. How could he emerge a master of so many languages? He had no formal schooling as a child, but as a youth, he enrolled in an Arya Samaj school in Agra, where education was imparted in Sanskrit and Arabic. Then traveling across to India to Tamil Nadu, he learned Tamil. Then becoming a Buddhist monk, he went to Sri Lanka and learned Pali. He made a deep study of the Buddhist text. Here he took the name Rahul Sankrityayan. Traveling to Tibet, he brought large volumes of palm leaf manuscripts of Buddhist philosophy and edited and wrote scholarly commentaries on them, including a grammar and primer of Tibetan in Sanskrit. He also prepared a Tibetan Hindi dictionary. Rahul Sankrityayan is remembered as the father of travel literature in Hindi. His book, Volga Se Ganga, continues to be read as a very popular collection of stories of the way human society evolved from 6000 BC to 1942. This book was translated into Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Bengali and many other Indian and foreign languages. Rahul Sankrityayan was honored with the Central Sahitya Academy Award in 1958 for his masterly work Madhya Asia Ka Itihas and Padma Bhushan for his scholarly contribution to Indian literature. Rahul Sankrityayan's life is a role model for all of us. Born in a village with little schooling, he rose to be a great scholar by his own committed efforts. His outstanding literary works will continue to inspire many more writers.
Next is a talk on a Mishmi book on Gandhiji.
Sometimes a small incident can make an ordinary man an extraordinary. This is what we learn from Gandhiji's life. Baharlu Rangma reads an incident from the Mahatma's life in Africa from the Mishmi book Gandhi Photo, authored by Sri Sokhep Kri.
South Africa tunke nganen malre Gandhi wan Pretoria hi tan thit samla. Vi wei Mokatu gari first class ticket kamu. Mokatu gari gyarla. Gari 1 Peter Maritzburg lit nalara police kumo Gandhi week gangne ka platform lit patgalne ka no anlut talak mantanda thauka Gandhi 1 kiwe ticket ka manda crime ne police 1 matin nga chupui manda waiting room kambang lit lapne ka Gandhi 1 Durban court high judge 1 week tamnala India zone 1 South Africa li shauta khai samman 1 dam hi sumbuila ki 1 unka yumnga tifi shanda puttamra nga da sumbui hatela
Gandhiji's 150th birth anniversary gifted us Tulika Books, first children's book in Adi, Gandhi Melankan, translated from English by Tayong Dai. Aman Tayang reads an incident from Gandhiji's life as a lawyer in South Africa.
Silong o nulung tarna kedem kitab Gandhi Melankan Sandhya Rao ke Adnam ipala Tayong Dai ke Adbi kunam sok Gandhi ji kapagisa kamoria gan pasoiman dem poboe Gandhi bi Rajkot akum lo tulat toku delo Gandhi ke buro ke darabuma agirye peko ke malang bito polo punyik puyum ko gekai delo South Africa lo pasikoro ina ami ko na ukil ko mata dunai ke amla bitat to pasikoro ina ami dolok amene Dada Abdullah Seth dolok ke bu Durban lo dudung bunga detak ko pe age impana ami ko bu mutadung India lok ke South Africa de boje ko motong dokom Gandhi bu anyam la nurapto bu me polo green delo Durban puto delok ke photosok kisa pe lugdorga lukolang dumal iliksula age lo grion sudanto bu England yedo delok ke kisa kangkumang angu saksuba kangkaku ukil rutum de bu me kapala bekekerang lunama nok kedumal dam lapak sulangka si dumpong gekap sunape India ami kedenga geko sunamko Dapaila, Gandhi bungo lapak sumaye amla lubi sulangal courtroom loka gulantoku. Sok lagang bu newspaper lo atkan sutoku delo lagang de ponjar kai. South Africa lo pulig rongam longa kinit kope idodam Gandhi bu Pretoria and pai kai. Bu gaya lum na rail gari ticket ko kala delo bukka dupa ko delo dulikto. Rail gari de duglan kai. Letter Maritzburg lo rail gari de dutatto delo Sipaing ko ala, bume, solan palang among loradbong toku. No solo dupa namang amla beludonay ka. Motikit ka dung amla Gandhi luto. Dakadang mokin mang amla pulis sipaing dalukay. Yung madame, toyang ladungkong room dalok, kamo arang dalo, ang singa ila dudola, Gandhi bu, Durban court log ukilutong lagang daman nudong ko. Bu India amiyam, South Africa lo itag irang nam kiduyang nutudong ko. Kapay ilang asik ayo yalun mang amla amye ladbang yakuna amlang ko mudong ko toyang ladung kong rumdalo yumada madudo labu agwin ingkusuto siyang okke nugam nama imanisan ko sula morit ko sula ingkoy ngokke ipanama dalok yumalok kebu kamu uksing pasok kay kumangkay.
Last month, Yuvavani paid tributes to Malayalam poet Sugatta Kumari, a great poet, eco-activist and lover of Mother Nature. Here is Keshilu Tayang and her team from Apne Library, Wagro, presenting Sugatta Kumari's famous poem,
Ortai Nadam.
Let's Plant a Sapling in Mishmi language.
Sangtul ye sangtul lap ye kin nyai gat kang. Sangtul ti lap ye kin sa kasit kang. Sangtul ye siwa kang. Sangtul brat monak ye kin harang hangit kang. Sangtul ye sangtul lap ye kin nyai glat kang. An sangtul wan kin bong kang. Kin chut kang. An sangtul awang ati kang lap ye. Way monakram ye tul ye sangka pap ka. Tayun kang hangit kang nitong kang. Hamak man tiam man lam man sang sit kang. Sang tul ye sang tul lap ye kin nyai glat kang. Kang lam nyo chum mai amawai lai chu mai phai wai. Ki wan ta jau ta klam chan ta fit chan mang. Sang tul lap nei an kin mik ti ngati. Kin lai chu ran nei ta pun nei agui. Nyo vi ta ching nyo vi ta chang. O kin nhai kin gạt. Nyo vi ta ching nyo vi ta chang. O kin nhai kin gạt. Sang tu lap ye kin nhai gạt kang. Sangtul tilap ye kin sakasit kang. Bratmo sangtul siwa kang. Sangtul bratmo na kin harang hangit kang. Sangtul lap ye kin nyai glat kang. Sangtul tulye sangtul lap ye kin nyai glat kang. Sangtul tulye sangtul lap ye kin nyai glat kang.
How wonderful it would be to read famous book in our own language. Today, thanks to Pratham Books and its website storyweaver.org, anyone can freely download a large collection of children's story and freely prepare translations of any book in their mother tongue. No problem of copyright permissions. The First House is one such book from Storyweaver narrating a Singpho folktale. It is written in English by well-known writer Nabanita Deshmukh, a long-time friend of Arunachal Youth. Raudon Singpho talks in Singpho language about the book First House.
The First House, the English like a fe song nanko huda ai fe chena lu ai Nabanita Deshmukh nu ai wara indai go the story go Singpho labang ni English like a fe Sing kong hing chat ningo nuna smingna ma pratan book fe nu wa ai ndai go sing kong sim chat ningo New Delhi ko ka sprung mat wa ai khura ai na ai laimat sa sming the jiwoi jiwani fe skau na Singpho amyu sani ko lbau ma masai namling tha kun Singpho amusa ni ko nda fe jeklo nama ai deslai nunang nu ai khong yun go nda fe kap ma ai Singpho unpong musa ni ko deslai ko na nda nu ai fe chi chuk ba na mat wasai yong fe chi chuk ba sai yong a insa grey sang smanya u kalo.
Unless you are a botanist, chances are that you haven't heard about Hortus malabaricus. What's that? Let's hear about Hortus malabaricus from Solina Cambrai.
Some books just get under your skin, like flag posts that could draw you and guide you at different points of your life. Haven't you felt something like this, friends? Then, there are few that make you fall in love with them. For K.S. Manilal, an emeritus professor of botany at the University of Calicut, Kerala, that love started early as a schoolboy. It was with Hortus malabaricus, an illustrated 17th century legend book on the trees and plants of the Malabar region of Kerala. The book shed light on the society, culture, science and language of 17th century. It went far beyond plants. Inspired and determined, Professor Manilal went on to study Latin and translate this 2,400-page, 12-volume work into English and Malayalam, a classic contribution to Indian literature on biodiversity. Young Manilal, a schoolboy in 1950s, first read about the book in his father's old Malayalam newspaper collections. Later, as a postgraduate student of botany, he visited the Forest Research Institute, Dehradun, where he saw the original book, a 300-year-old Latin book of botany with names in Malayalam. Excited, he sat through and made a list of all the Malayalam names. The task was mind-boggling. The plants mentioned in Hortus 300 years before were not easily identified because modern taxonomic classification has changed significantly. Professor Manilal's last work is The Hortus malabaricus and the Socio-Cultural Heritage of India, which he managed to type out with just his left hand in spite of being paralyzed by a cardiac stroke in 2006. Professor Manilal has been honored with Padma Shri in 2020 for his monumental contribution to Indian history, culture and biodiversity studies. What can we in Arunachal learn from Professor Manilal and his work on Hortus malabaricus? With our forest and biodiversity getting rapidly extinct, we need to record our local language names of the plants in our environment. If we don't study and record them now, after a few years, these names would totally vanish from people's memories and language. A terrible loss for the future generation and Arunachali languages. It's time to act.
Can we imagine Arunachal without Tawang? Yes, it is only because of the dashing efforts of one man, Major Bob Khating. Lohit Library volunteers pay tribute to Major Bob Khating in this Yuvavani. Who was Major Bob Khating? Aman Tayang from Bambusa Library speaks about him in Adi language.
Nolo tapna kede mengkilayan. Tawang lok mepe Arunachal lolang Southern Bharat map lo kamadope. 1951 lope kamatwai. Tawang kapke sadamelo nefalo angkan. Si ararunam doing kope idung. Doing atna Rachna Bistka Dreamcatcher samnam kitab lo pobonam ko. Major Bob Khating be Nefa government lo assistant political officer per detak 1951 lo yeto. Dalo Assam governor per Gandhian Jairam Das Dolataram be yedo. Longe konam governor Major Khating me Silong lo tom tok to. Dalo Silong engonu ke Nefa capital pe idwe. Nolu tawang India pe ipa aido amla memana amla engkito. Yes sir, amla araru pemula poyan suto Major Khating be. Damula no ilayan amla governor dabem engkito. Aye sir, Indian janda damana patawang lo puye amla toga sudala salute bito. Dekeila Major Khating be 1951 dalo ALCS ralna kede ipala Assam rifle kedem tomdum supala alakote log balipara dalok tawang pe anlanto dalo badung badang yang kamang monama mongko inam pabansula asikorong kedem kola anto. Pila dolong ami lama kedem pasoma pekan nulu sipaing kedem nulum atu imayem lapokanto bulu ke ip kodong ko dolong log ami kedem apim apong aden dobotu bola into dalo bulu tawang ampeng dagong leputo dolong ami kede anyong ko pasway dola sipaing kede si ingkulaga paiso aduna amla kendenge ikai idola Tibetan rutum kede Major Khating makarik sukolo gemaye amla bulu ka kum log gelan maye amkai Major Khating be manang asang mangangkai monpa kede Tibetan rutum kede text ladung dam monpa kede ade rupa mudung amla be India so glegangam pobito India so demokrasi amla India so text lanam ayon kamang amlang kum pokanto. February 14, 1951 lo Major Khating be Tawang Monastery Karang lo Indian jandaram dilik pala soboto. Be kakot lagang takamam ayin bosupala sainam kom Bharat Sarkar dankam igaboto. Dalo ejar ko aman pe Tibetan rutum kedem bisuto. Bumanang asa Governor Jairam Das me pokang toku buka tawangan bom nama apeng pili aikai amla. Bob Khating ke ralnam apu dalo asiamung laga peral ganam takam bom dola bom dila ampeng lo Khating point amnam amongko amun lektung Arunachal government abum mupang sunam mengana na laga pe February polo ambek amun pe tolik melegdum ngolu Arunachal sok amike dia Major Bob Khating me agin pe kenga mengaya dum bukke tawangam ngulum aman pe binam dalo agak ke asiamung laga pe ralnam pe ibonamam sisang gesang nak dia Kayil tayil sukang pe iari. Ipala 14 February 2021 lo Tawang Arunachal Pradesh so Major Bob Khating memorial ko pulikto.
Lohit Youth Library volunteers conclude this Yuvavani program on Mother Languages Day with Swami Vivekananda's thought-provoking words. Quote, when a man comes who speaks my language, I at once understand it and receive it forever. Unquote. With this is Jinam Singh Arung and team from Lohit Youth Library signing off. Let's reserve this day to spiritedly work to let our mother languages grow.
श्रोता दोस्तों अभी आप सुन रहे थे यूथ प्रोग्राम बाय द वॉलंटियर्स ऑफ लोहित यूथ लाइब्रेरी लीडर जिनम सिनादोंग विषय था इंटरनेशनल मदर लैंग्वेज डे प्रस्तुतकर्ता श्री गोपाल राय। युवा वाणी का कार्यक्रम यही समाप्त होता है। ये आकाशवाणी का तेजु केंद्र है। अब पेश है